mahal ko sa buhay. Ipag-double premium naman ako kasi bukas, pangalawang umanan ko na. Sana maging magandang resulta para doon kasi nakabase sa
The
resulta
house is quiet since you left. Your chair in the corner, it seems you are still waiting. Every Sunday your story is so alive. Your joyful laughter, now it's just a memory. Uncle, pin, son, grandfather and sibling. With every call, love is the exchange. For every unmatched smile of yours, that's where we saw the true guy. You are the strength when we are weak, the support whenever we have problems. Now you are a star in the sky, but your light is still here forever. Oh, Daddy, that's do you hear? Sa langit bang iyon? Tanaw mo ba ang aming manaliti? Try to be strong even though it hurts every night. Feels so cold. You are the hero of our home, light in the darkness, our support. Even though the Almighty has taken you in our heart, di ka mawawalan.
Ayaw ko lang buwaba.
Huwag ka na buwaba.
Mga kamay mong puno ng kwento, mga payo mong di kailanman maglalaho, bilang lolo full of love. As a sibling, always joyful. Your teachings we carry with us for life. Your love will never fade. In every step we take, we will carry your memory. Sa hangin, it seems you are there. In every prayer, your name is mentioned. Even though your departure is painful, we know you won't disappear completely. Oh, Daddy, does do you hear us? Sa langit bang iyong tanaw mo ba ang aming mga ngiti? Trying to be strong even though it hurts every night. Feels so cold. You are the hero of our home, light in the darkness, our support. Even though the Almighty has taken you in our hearts, di ka mawawalan. If only we could climb to heaven just to say we love you once more. One more hug, one wish, one take care before you finally fly. Until we meet again.
Parang stage. Kasi doon sa Bisanyoro, malalim na siya eh. Wala na eh.
Sandali, bawal yung patay. Love you!
Kailangan
Kailangan matutukan natin yung film drama.
You are